Now the recording started. Uh, voice ठीक है?
जी सर ठीक है.
Today we will discuss and explain lesson number 4. Here it is. I have shared the screen and this is lesson 4. Can you see?
जी सर.
Okay. So there is a lesson 4, dialogue 4, and this dialogue is a learner's role. About what? Learner's role. Okay. So this is you are the language learner. So you will have to play L part and I will play H part. So start from the L.
اوکې. زه پښتو زده کول غواړم.
زه پښتو زده کول غواړم. मैं पश्तो सीखना
चाहती हूँ.
yes I want to learn Pashto. Okay, زده کول is infinite, it means to learn.
टू लर्न. ठीक है.
Is infinite. So, me, I want. What do me we want?
अच्छा
What do you mean you want?
ठीक है.
Or like present conjugation, its ending will change and it will give different meaning for different subjects. Understand?
जी जी सर ठीक.
زه پښتو زده کول غواړم. I want to learn Pashto. موږ پښتو زده کول غواړو. We want to learn Pashto.
ठीक.
Okay?
जी सर.
This was the thing. Okay. So I will tell you Deer Khayar, very good friend. Like you are learning Pashto, it's a very good thing. Deer Khayar, very good friend.
ठीक.
Hmm? Hmm? Okay, you say the next one.
ओके. اصل کې زما پښتانه ډېر خوښ دي.
Asal ki mean actually. Zama mean my, Pukhtana mean Pashtuns, dear khwakhdi. I like Pashtuns a lot. Asal ki mean actually. Like Pashto, Urdu में आप कहते हैं असल में. असल की जमा my Pukhtana dear khwakhdi. I like Pashtuns a lot.
ठीक है. और आगे है ज़ा पख्तो ढेर घराना दा. खो पख्तो ढेर घराना दा.
Pashto dear agrana da, but Pashto is very difficult. Pashto is
very difficult.
very difficult. Pashto is feminine. That's why deer will become dera and gran will become grana. Gran is anything which is expensive as well. Yes, as well as it means difficult. You told me that Pukhto dera granada. I like Pukhtuns a lot, but Pashto is very difficult. Now say to me, I learn a few new words every day.
زه روزانه یو دوه نوې ټکي زده کوم.
Rozana mean each day. Yaudva mean one, two. Like when you are not specific, you say, I learn each day one or two words. Okay? A few words. Yaudva. Yaw mean one, dwa mean two. It means few. Okay? Navi mean new. And taki. Taki mean a word. Okay? Taki mean word and tiki mean words. This is plural.
हाँ ठीक है. टिके और टिकी.
Tiki, yes. The kawam mean I learn.
ठीक है. Kawam. आगे मैं बोलूं.
Ji. Now this is mine.
हाँ.
Kha. Kho. Good. Dana dana chiozeshi gharshi. It's like a proverbial thing. Dana dana chiozeshi. Dana dana. Spick on a spick. Chiozeshi. When they combine. Yoze mean one place. Yoze mean one place.
One place.
Yes. Spick and spick. When they come to one place. She mean like when they become like that. Gharshi. So it makes a mountain. Ghar mean mountain. It becomes mountain then. Okay.
ठीक है.
दाना दाना पहाड़ बन जाता है. Like you said, I'm learning few new words every day. So I said, no worry. A spick on a spick makes a mountain.
ठीक ठीक ठीक.
Dana dana chi mean here
चाहिए.
when. Yozeshi. When dana dana combines. Yoze mean one place. When they comes to one place, so it becomes what? Gharshi.
घर
Becomes
से.
a mountain.
माउंट. आगे बिल्कुल ज़्यादलता प्यार रतलल वाड़म.
You said bilkul. Exactly. The delta. Delta mean here. Bia mean again. Bia mean
अगेन.
again. Ratlil mean coming. Ratlil
ठीक.
mean
कमिंग.
coming. Walam. Walam. I want come back here again. I want to come back here
अगेन.
again. So this is the thing we say when har kalarasha. Har kalarasha. Come anytime. Like you are welcomed. Okay. Har
ठीक.
kala mean anytime. Har mean any kala mean time. Anytime. Har kala rasha. You are welcomed each and every time. Pamakhade kha. Pamakhade kha. Okay.
ठीक.
Pamakhade. Makha mean like anything which is in front of you. This is called the makha. Front of the man. Front of a man, woman. Okay. Pamakha.
ओके.
On your front. Dekha. Each and everything should come good. Like you have left me, whatever comes to your face, whatever you face today or in the life, it should be good. We say it when we leave each other. Pamakha dekha.
पमखा दिखा.
Yes. At the end we say pamakha dekha. Like whatever comes in front of you after leaving me, that should be good.
ठीक
Good
ठीक.
things should come into your mind. Good incidents should happen to you. There shouldn't be a bad thing happen to you. Okay?
लाइक दुआ होती है ना जैसे.
Yes, yes, yes. It is a prayer. Hmm.
दा खुदाई पामान.
Hmm?
मैंने अगला बोल दिया.
Said
मैंने
what?
दा खुदाई पामान. लास्ट लाइन बोल दी मैंने. सर.
Kara?
जी सर. सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. सर.